The following is the process to begin the completion of Blizzard bags. The first thing that you want to do is go to your progress book page and log in. Once you log in, you will go into the regular gradebook section. Once you are at this home page, you can either go into your individual classes or you can click directly on Post Homework. I'm going to go ahead and click directly on Post Homework. Here's an old assignment that I was kind of toying around with the other day. I'm just going to go ahead and delete that one and start the process completely over. So the first thing that you'll want to do is hit Add New Homework, and this page will pop up. On this page, the first thing that you probably want to type in is the title that you are going to use, and I'm just going to call this Blizzard Bag 1. Now, you can copy and paste all of your assignment here if you want to. I'm not going to do that. There's another way to add attachments and add links, etc. So for the first one, I'm going to show you how to put a web address in there. So I'm just going to put complete the web assignment so you get a sense of the directions. In here is the start and end date. Today is the 18th, which is what it is defaulted at. Under the law, Blizzard bags, the students have 2 weeks to turn them in. So today, if it was assigned today, it would be due on the 1st of April. You can type in the same due date there if you want. I find it to be a little bit redundant. Now, at the bottom here, it'll ask you to choose your classes. If you are doing just a general assignment that applies to all of your classes, you can click on All Classes, and it will load this homework assignment for every single class. If you are only doing it for specific classes, you would just click on the class that you would want this assignment to be posted for. So you go ahead and hit save, and now you'll notice that there are 4 different tabs at the top of the page. We're going to go ahead and start by doing the web-based version. So you click on links, and I'm just going to put sequence number 1. For this, I'm going to call it Achieve 3000. I'm going to leave my description. I may include some more instructions there, like, I don't know, complete multiple choice and a thought question. You can do this at the beginning in the directions. You can do it here. There's multiple places where you can put in more information. As far as URL, I'm going to go ahead and just search. There is the link right there, and I'm simply going to copy that, go back to the page, insert the URL there, and hit save. If you are doing multiple websites that you want them to go to, you would just go ahead and put in your second one there. So just so you get an idea of what all this looks like, I'm going to go back to the dashboard, and so now I'm at 11, my class, the 11th grade 5-7 integrated, and I'm going to go to the post homework site, and you see listed here is Blizzard Bag 1, complete the web assignment. To give you an idea what this will look like to your students, there is the view parent access, and so this gives you an idea of what your students will see. And if you click on that, this is the front page that all the parents and students see, and you click on view all homework, and you'll see here that Blizzard Bag 1 is listed, and I'm going to go ahead and expand that, and you'll see it says complete multiple choice and a thought question. Click on the link. It takes them directly to the site. So that's how you post a link to Progress Book. Now, if you instead, and I'm just going to go to a different class so that you see the homework posts across all of them. Instead, if you want to do an attachment, again, click on Post Homework, and we're going to add another new one, and we'll just call this one Blizzard Bag 2. And my directions will be complete the following questions. And again, just go from today and put it up there like it's a 2-day thing. And this time, instead of selecting all of my classes, I'm just going to select a couple of them that it would apply to. And again, you hit save. As soon as you hit save, the 4 tabs come back up. This time I'm going to add an attachment. And so I'm just going to call this Beowulf questions, for instance. And I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And there's kind of a limit to how much you can attach. I've found that anything over about 4 pages becomes too big for the Progress Book application. So if you have an assignment that is several pages long, you will either need to copy and paste the whole thing into this main section here, which is not ideal if you want the students to print something off. For the attachment itself, you may have to break a document into multiple sections to get all of it up there. So I'm going to go ahead and upload an attachment, and it shows you all the different types that are accessible. And here is one set of Beowulf questions, and I'm going to go ahead and hit upload. And it's there, it's uploaded. I'm going to go ahead and view the attachment so you can see. And so there it's popped up, and that's the way it would be for the students. So again, just to refresh you on the process, post homework, Blizzard Bag 2. I'm going to go ahead and just put a second attachment in. You click attachments. I'm going to call this number 2, and we'll call this Beowulf Questions Part 2. And again, you can type in directions here if you want. And before the upload attachment box will pop up, you have to save it. Once it's saved, then you can go ahead and upload the file that you want to insert. Let's try this again. Anyway, I'm having trouble uploading again. That is the process to upload. There's also one other tab if there are, say, specific students that you want to exclude for this assignment for whatever reason. You can do it there, and that is it.